Maryam Rajavi, all Iran regime leaders must face justice for terrorism. Simultaneous with the trial of Assadollah Assadi, the clerical regime's diplomat terrorist in Belgium, Mrs. Maryam Rajavi, President-elect of the National Council of Resistance of Iran, said on Friday, "The independent and professional investigations by Belgian judicial authorities are commendable. As these investigations have shown, we are facing a case of organized state terrorism. As such, in addition to those being prosecuted in this court today, the time has come for the Iranian regime's leaders to be prosecuted as well." As I emphasized during my 7-hour testimony, the Supreme National Security Council, presided over by Hassan Rouhani, made the decision to bomb the Iranian Resistance annual gathering at Villepinte, and the regime's Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei approved it. Khamenei, Rouhani, Javad Zarif, and the mullahs' Intelligence Minister Mahmoud Alavi must face justice for decades of crimes and terrorism, Mrs. Rajavi emphasized. The Iranian regime's leaders must be prosecuted and face justice. This is an imperative and deterrent step to counter the godfather of international terrorism in our time, Mrs. Rajavi added. Iran, coronavirus death toll in 465 cities surpasses 170,200. Over 170,200 people have died of the novel coronavirus in 465 cities checkered across all of Iran's 31 provinces, according to reports tallied by the Iranian opposition People's Mujahedin Organization of Iran as of Friday afternoon local time. The official death toll declared by the regime stands at 47,095, nearly a fourth of the actual figure. The regime's health ministry spokesperson announced the mullahs engineered COVID-19 numbers on Friday as 406 new deaths and 14,051 new cases in the past 24 hours, along with 5,860 patients being in ICUs. The latter two stats are the highest such figures in this pandemic for the fourth straight day. Furthermore, 2,245 of the new cases have been hospitalized. For each COVID-19 death in our country, we have 200 to 1,000 new cases, with an average of around 60% contracting coronavirus, said Deputy Health Minister Iraj Harichi on Thursday, according to the state-run Khabar Fori website. Iran, worker flogged 74 times for demanding his rights. Agents of the Implementation of Verdicts Office flogged an Iranian worker 74 times before his verdict was finalized. The worker, Dawood Rafi'i, used to work at an Iran Khodro car manufacturer before being expelled in 2012. He was sentenced to flogging for insulting the labor minister. Rafi'i was fired from the Pars Khodro factory after he participated in workers' protests back in 2012. In 2017, he staged numerous solo protests in front of the Ministry of the Cooperatives, Labor and Social Welfare, holding placards containing contents against Ali Rabi'i, the then labor minister. He was repeatedly warned and attacked by a police unit based in the ministry. It is said that the Ministry of Labor had offered to pay him 2 billion riyals, around $7,700, to this labor activist to stop protesting. However, Mr. Rafi'i, while emphasizing his legal rights, had said he wanted his rights in exchange for being expelled from work between the years of 2012 and 2018, according to official experts.